Boys and girls, in this episode, we look at the excretory system. At the end of this episode, you should be able to identify the organs of excretion, the kidneys, lungs, and skin, and state their role in excretion. Explain the integration of different systems in carrying out the life processes. Complete at least 4 of the 8 activities at the learning centers. The National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, is responsible for removing solid waste from our environment. This is necessary because there would be an unbearable stench that would affect our health. Similarly, the body has toxic waste in organs that needs to be eliminated to prevent any harm to them. Table 1 shows the organs of the excretory system that are responsible for getting rid of body waste. So here we have the organs, the kidneys, the lungs, and skin, and the function listed. So for the kidneys, it removes urea and extra water. The lungs remove carbon dioxide, and the skin removes extra salt. The urinary system. The kidneys, two bean-shaped organs, make urine. They filter water from the blood, balance the volume of water and minerals in the body, and remove urea from the body. We have the ureters, two thin tubes that transport urine from each kidney to the bladder. The bladder, and this is the urinary bladder, is a sac that collects and stores urine. The urethra is a tube that transports urine from the bladder out of the body. The excretory system works with other systems to carry out life processes. These include the circulatory system, which transports urea from the liver to the kidneys and food and oxygen to nourish the cells of the kidneys. In return, the kidneys filter waste from the blood and controls blood pressure. The nervous system allows the body to release hormones that signal to the kidneys when they should hold on to some fluid. Engage. Have you ever tasted your sweat? Describe that taste. Access the internet and download and view videos on the excretory and urinary system. Figure 1 shows the function of each system in the urinary system. Right beside each letter, the name of the organ that carries out each function. Makes urine, the kidneys, transports urine from the kidneys, the ureters, stores urine, the urinary bladder, and transport urine from the bladder, that would be the urethra. Complete figure 2 by writing excretory system in the pink circle. Write an organ of the system above each letter and then write the function of each organ on the space beside each number. So we'd have excretory system, kidneys, we'd have the skin, we'd have the lungs. So the kidneys, they get rid of urea and excess water. The skin would get rid of excess salt, and the lungs would get rid of carbon dioxide. Evaluate, complete at least 4 of the 8 activities at the learning centers. Word link from the Faye Ellington Center. Draw and label a diagram of the excretory system. From the Dr. Agri Irons Center, we have the self link. Make a journal entry expressing your views on the organs of the excretory system. Music link from the Jimmy Cliff Center. Write song lyrics for the excretory system. Picture link from the Edna Manley Center. Download images of the excretory and urinary system and create a carousel of these images. Body link from the Rex Nettleford Center. Draw an outline of the human body on a sheet of paper, then use resources such as kidney beans, drawing straws, cords, glue, and Play-Doh to make the organs of the urinary system. Place these at the appropriate area on the outline diagram. Number link from the Albert Einstein Center. A kidney is the size of your fist. Compete with a classmate to identify who has the largest kidneys. Social link from the Mary Sequel Center. Use a digital device and take photos of the model of the urinary system that you made. Share your photos in the class WhatsApp group. Nature link from the Dan Macaulay Center. An artificial kidney is a machine that is used to assist patients whose kidneys are not working properly to remove the buildup of poisonous materials in the body. Find out the name of this artificial kidney. So, in this episode, we were looking at the excretory system. You should now be able to identify the organs of the excretory system to include the kidneys, lungs, and skin. Explain the integration of the different systems in carrying out these life processes. You should be able to complete at least 4 of the activities at the 8 learning centers. Take care, go over these diagrams as many times as needed, and we'll see you in our next episode.